Number of sense organs are 5. The first step in solving biological problem is observation. Number of sense organs of human is 5. Biologists use discussion and reasoning procedure to formulate a hypothesis. Productive theory keeps on suggesting new hypotheses. Biologists gather actual quantitative data from which class experiments. Deductions are the logical consequences of hypothesis. Freezing point of water is 0 degrees centigrade. The hypothesis that is often tested and never rejected is called theories. Who presented a law of inheritance? Mendel. Meaning of area is air. Scientists who performed experiments on malaria on sparrows. Rose. Which scientist first observed microorganisms in the blood of malarial patient? Lavrin. The Italian word mela means
Thanks for
bad.
watching and do subscribe.